BBAI stock analysis. This is for tomorrow and onward. So in this 1 minute video, I'm telling you whether BigBear.ai stock is a buy or not for me. So watch this short video till the end. BigBear.ai, it's an overall bullish market, but that does not mean that I'm randomly going to buy. I have done 32,000 videos and spent thousands of dollars on course and mentorships, and as a result, thousands of great predictions have been delivered, and I've been documenting everything. So we're sitting at 10% up on Friday, and I always like to have this view of like a 1,000-foot view just to kind of understand where we are. Started to pick up lately, so that's kind of the bias that I'm kind of following. And you see, like, I was long here like before, so like here, this is the before video, right? And this was made like let's say 1st of December, and after that it just came up. I got a break even. The only thing that's sitting between me buying and not is the price giving me a deeper pullback and then a break above it. And if that happens, that's when you know that I'm actually going to take things higher, being long. Everything else is noise. If you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. There is a free newsletter. See ya.